Hey guys, good evening. Kiran here. Welcome to a new YouTube video. Today we are again running into Amsterdam Bos. Peaceful nature. It was a very interesting day, interesting run today. A lot of, let's say, feeling, a lot of curiosity that got solved. Let me tell you how it went and how I was able to make it easy again, and how do you really think when you're running. So that gives you really a sense of fulfillment, but also the run goes very smooth. So let me give you some feedback later. So before starting, just hear the sound of birds, nature. 10-15 seconds, it's so melody. See this beautiful path from which I came, and I also finished my run. And then here, nice water body. It's evening time. Nice bridge. And here there's a highway and also water body. So let me tell you how it went. It went really good and easy. Why it went easy? Let me share 3 nice tips with you that helped me. Tip 1, do nice warm up, let's say 5-10 minutes. You can even run, let's say 100-200 meters in that, so that you are warm up. And some, let's say, dynamic stretching, that also really helps. And in tip 1 also, start slow. Start first 1 or 2 kilometers really slow. That helps to give you momentum at later stage. Then comes tip 2. In tip 2, I would say run based on how the elevation is. Sometimes the elevation is high. Let's say you're running uphill. At that time, your pace naturally slows down. You can push the pace, but then your heart rate goes up in that case. So do not try to push really hard. Slow it down. And I think when you come down from that elevation, it gets balanced. So tip 2 is run as per how the terrain or elevation is. Do not push hard all time, but try to balance it. And then is tip 3, which is also very important. In tip 3, I would say focus mainly on your running form. So in running form, you focus mainly run tall, feel that a spring is attached to your head, so being tall helps. And second is pick your heels. That's important. Do not let it, let's say, drag. Then keep your shoulder loose. Do not make it so heavy or tight. Always keep on checking on it. Then next one is knee drive. Try to ensure that you're driving your knee. And one more is about focus how you put your steps, each steps. So once you're aware how you're putting, and also aware of all this, let's say, running form checks, I think that really helps to keep the run easy and lightweight. Thank you for joining me today in this long, beautiful, I think 12.12 kilometer run in the weekend. See you in next video. In the meanwhile, see this beautiful nature and join and subscribe the channel. Thank you. See ya. Bye.